Hi, my name is Murilo, and in this short video I'll quickly show you how to upload your floor plan background image. Zkipster allows you to upload your own floor plan image, which will then sit as a background image on your sitting chart for you to overlay the Zkipster tables on. However, you can also leave the background blank and just work with the Zkipster tables as is. To upload your floor plan image, simply click on the Upload Background button and attach your file. Please note that the only accepted file formats are JPEG and PNG, with a maximum size of 5 MB. The image dimensions need to be a maximum of 5120 pixels. To remove your floor plan image or change it for another file, simply go to Edit Floor Plan and click on the X symbol on the right side of the floor plan. Clicking Save will remove your current file. Once your file has been uploaded, we recommend that you add a sitting block or table to your sitting chart to make sure that the scale factor is correct. In order to rescale your floor plan image, simply move the toggle to the left or right until the Zkipster seats match up perfectly with your floor plan. If you have any further questions, please email our team at support@zkipster.com. Thank you for watching.